Good day. This simulation shows how a CNC lathe machine shapes a workpiece using G-code. First, the program sets the spindle speed and selects the tool using MO3, S1000, and TO1. Then, the tool moves to a safe starting position using rapid motion with GOO. Next, the G71 command is used for a rough cutting, which automatically removes material layer by layer based on the defined profile. The tool follows the path from point to point using GO1, shaping the material according to the dimension in X and Z. As the simulation runs, we can see the tool gradually cutting the workpiece until it reaches the final shape. After machining, the tool retracts to a safe position and the program ends with M30. Overall, the simulation helps us to visualize how the CNC machine performs the turning process